Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and this is how I smoke. And I'm using hickory. You could use mesquite, you could use pecan, you could use apple wood, whatever type of wood you want. But I've got hickory, and then I've got my wieners right here. See my wieners? Look at those. I got 8 of them now. I went with the ballpark. I've had great success with these. What I did, I've got a little smoker tray, and then put aluminum foil on top, sprayed it with olive oil, rolled the wieners in the olive oil, and then sprinkled some barbecue salt on them to add a little bit of effect there. Now typically I do low and slow at 225, but I'm going to do this more around 250 because you know, I mean, a hot dog is nothing that fancy, man. But I still want it to be good and smoky, and this is going to accomplish that. Look at that. Ooh. Whew, these are going to be good. Thunderstorm, I got my umbrella to protect the smoker, and I've got my electrical off of the ground so water won't get in there. You know, electricity and water don't mix. Speaking of lightning though, I need to probably duck inside. Again, this is going to be good, and I'm going to show you the finished product. Now let me get, I think I heard a raccoon. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to turn on the camera. Oh, you turn it on. Hello, hello. There he is. He said, I want some hot dogs. They will be ready soon, sir. Yes, they will. You can see my raccoon down there. It's raining. Thunderstorms. Look at that. Oh, man. Yeah, it's going to get pretty mean and vicious. It's going to get pretty mean and vicious. These weather conditions are no joke. But again, when you're serious about smoking, electric smoking, whether it's a hot dog, a rack of ribs, a brisket, a tri-tip, I'm going to smoke it all. And I'm not going to let a little bit of rain get in my way. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Again, super simple to smoke hot dogs on an electric smoker. And by the way, you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find the smoker like I use, the wood chips like I use, the cover, and a whole lot more. It's a great obsession. It's good to eat well. And I'm probably going to do these. I'm probably going to smoke them for, I'm going to go a little bit longer. I'll probably go maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours, because I want them kind of, you know, kind of really cooked. But I want to have that good smokiness. So I'm in no rush. I just want to eat some hot dogs, man. Eat some for dinner and eat some for breakfast. Tell me what you think within the comment section below, and be sure to subscribe. And when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.